In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert and resize an image in Microsoft Excel. This is a simple but powerful skill that can instantly make your spreadsheets look more polished and professional. Whether you're creating a report, organizing visual data, or designing a layout for a presentation, knowing how to properly add and adjust images can significantly improve the overall appearance of your work. By the end of this video, you will feel confident inserting images and adjusting them smoothly without disrupting your layout. Before getting started, make sure your Excel file is open and your worksheet is ready. Once everything is prepared, go to the top menu and click the Insert tab. This tab contains all the tools needed to add elements to your spreadsheet, including images, shapes, and charts. After opening the Insert tab, click Pictures. Immediately after clicking Pictures, choose the Place Over Cells option. This ensures your image will float above the cells, giving you flexibility in positioning and making it easier for the image to stand out visually. Next, click This Device. A dialog box will appear, allowing you to browse through the files on your computer. Navigate to the folder where your image is stored, select the image you want, and click Insert. The image will appear directly on your worksheet. Once the image is inserted, you can click and drag it to move it anywhere on the worksheet. This allows you to position it exactly where it fits best within your layout. Now it's time to resize the image. Click directly on the picture and small handles will appear around its edges and corners. Click and drag these handles inward or outward to adjust the size. Be sure to drag from the corners as this keeps the image's proportions intact and prevents distortion. Take a moment to fine-tune the size so it fits neatly within your worksheet layout. Proper sizing ensures the image blends well with your data and keeps the spreadsheet looking clean and organized. When the image is selected, additional picture tools will appear at the top of the screen. These tools allow you to crop the image, adjust brightness or contrast, add borders, or apply artistic effects. Use these features as needed to enhance the appearance without overwhelming your content. And that's it. You now know how to insert, place over cells, move, resize, and customize an image in Microsoft Excel. These small adjustments can make a big difference in how your spreadsheet looks and feels. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.